What if you could hand your entire product requirements document to an AI agent, walk away, and come back to a working project? Not one prompt, not one session, a loop that runs all night, fresh context each iteration, committing code, tracking progress, and picking up the next task until everything is done. Someone built this as a bash script, 16,500 stars, and it's named after Ralph Wiggum from The Simpsons. This is Ralph, an autonomous AI agent loop that repeatedly runs Claude Code or AMP until every item in your PRD is complete. 16,500 stars, 1,600 forks, MIT licensed. At its core, it's shockingly simple. A bash script that pipes a prompt into an AI coding tool, checks if all tasks pass, and loops. Each iteration gets a fresh context window. Memory persists through git commits, a progress file, and a structured JSON task list. That's it, and it ships entire projects. Let's talk about what a bash script can do. 16,500 stars, 1,600 forks. Ryan Carson's launch tweet hit 865,000 views. The concept spawned an entire ecosystem. Vercel built their own version, Cursor added official support, and at least 5 derivative tools have launched. VentureBeat covered it. Dev community called 2026 the year of the Ralph loop, all from a file that's essentially while true run Claude. And this is the trick that makes it work. Each iteration follows a 10-step workflow. Read the PRD and progress file. Verify the Git branch. Pick the highest priority incomplete story. Implement that single story. Run type check, lint, and tests. Document patterns in an agents.md file. Commit with a structured message. Update the PRD to mark the story complete. Log learnings to progress. TEX. Then the loop starts over with a completely fresh context window. No accumulated confusion, no context rot. But here's the part that went viral. Most AI coding approaches fight context window limits. RAG, long context, memory injection. Ralph doesn't fight it, it embraces it. Every iteration starts completely fresh. The only things that carry over are the Git history, the progress file, and the task list. That's external memory through the file system. The agent reads the current state of the code base, picks up where the last iteration left off, and keeps building. It's deterministically bad in an undeterministic world, and that's why it works. Think about what this means for shipping software. Geoffrey Huntley, who invented the concept, claims he delivered a $50,000 contract for $297 using this technique. Someone built a Fruit Ninja clone in about an hour, with 0 human guidance through 8 context rotations. Another developer reported 265 commits in 7 days using a Ralph-based tool. The debate is real. Critics call it vibe coding with extra steps. Supporters say it's the future of software delivery. Either way, 16,500 developers start it for a reason. Here's the backstory. The Ralph Wiggum technique was invented by Geoffrey Huntley, a developer and goat farmer who discovered that looping AI coding tools with fresh context produced better results than long sessions. He named it after Ralph Wiggum because discovering the pattern made him want to Ralph. Ryan Carson, CEO of AMP and a 3-time startup founder, built the polished implementation that went viral. The name stuck, and now Ralph is a formal pattern recognized across the AI coding ecosystem. One bash script, one PRD, walk away. Ralph loops until everything ships. The simplest idea in AI coding, and 16,500 developers agree it works. Subscribe to Awesome FOSS. We find the best open source tools so you don't have to.